Well, they say landing into iOS is something where it is magical. So if you are a person who is willing to step into iOS and know the ecosystem of iOS, then this video is going to be the right video for you. If you are a budding software developer and knowing how you can process and customize iOS devices, then stay tuned till the end and know what are the skills that are required for you to develop your professional career in or around the field of iOS developer. Welcome back to Freshers Now, and today's video is going to be about iOS developer and how are they paid in India. Before we get into it, we would now first understand the definition part so that you can be clear before we get into it. So, an iOS developer is someone who is having a deep understanding with the iOS ecosystem. As I've said, the world itself is so magical in iOS and so unique that it cannot be standing as a competition, which includes a deep understanding as to how it has to be working on Apple devices, how the apps needs to be customized, updated on time to time, and various other requirements that Apple devices needs. All of this is taken care of an iOS developer, such as iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, Apple TV. So all of this, as we all know. So now that you have understood, we would be now heading over to the pay scales part. As we have taken the source from PayScale itself, the website gives you a hell lot of information about all of the details regarding their pays and also in major other cities as well. So on an average basis, when we take the whole country itself, iOS developer is being paid 4,95,000 per annum. A good start off. Even if you are on an entry-level job of an iOS developer, or if you are just budding into software development, then you would be eventually getting, or eventually if you are interested to step into iOS, then you can start off or just have a brief outlook about the pay which is mentioned here. Now, the graph that you are seeing here is on pay by experience level in India. So how is your professional path going to be? Your professional life is going to look like this if you are stepping into a career of a iOS developer. From the first year to minimum to 4 years, it is going to just have a blur outlook of growth. But eventually, just after 4 to 5 years, in between 10 years, it is going to be a leap of increase where you can land up in a good amount of pay, as the graph is depicting right here. Now we would be stepping into the pay levels or the pay scales location wise. What are the various cities paying to the iOS developers? I mean, how are the various cities in India paying these iOS developers? So the first city, which is Bangalore, is giving out 6,87,000 per annum. So any iOS developer who is placed in and around Bangalore is being paid this much amount of money. So if you are planning to step into Bangalore as an iOS developer or willing to start your career as an iOS developer in Bangalore, then you can consider yourself getting around the pay of 6,87,000 per annum. And next city is in Noida. iOS developers in Noida are being paid 6 lakhs around, which is almost considerate to Bangalore itself having a balance of pay. In Pune, it is 5,84,000. Now again, it is a good start off with your career. And then it is in Mumbai, which is also considered to be a marketplace for many national and international companies, which needs iOS developers of 5,46,000, which has to how they are being paid. Next, Hyderabad. All over the south, in South India, we see Hyderabad as a market of opportunities. So the place of opportunities itself is paying 4,93,000 per annum, which is equivalent to the balance when we take the whole country in itself. The next section that we are heading over is to how the companies are paying. So not just location giving you a clarity about how the pay scales are for an iOS developer, but you should also have an idea as to how the companies are needing iOS developers. So the first company that we all know is HCL. HCL is paying around 9 lakhs per annum, which is really a good payoff for all the iOS developers buddings out there. And the next company is TCS. TCS reaching out to the average pay when we take the whole country, which is around 4 lakhs 26,000 per annum. Infosys, the very known company and prioritized company for many aspirants out there, which is paying 4 lakhs per annum. And in IBM, it is 3 lakhs 58,000. Again, you can have a good start off with the right set of skills. You can eventually give your professional career the right growth. The next set that we are going to see is the skills part. Now, in this skill section, you would be understanding as to how you can start your career, and for all of those who are already in this, you can eventually elevate your career path by considering or practicing these skills or putting these skills into action. What are those skills? Agile software development, SQLite, Android software development, jQuery, mobile, simple object access, etc. So these are some of the lists of skills that we have noted down, because for you to get an idea as to what you need to brush up and what you need to start in order to become an iOS developer. A professional iOS developer, what that person would be doing and what are the things that are associated with the job profile. The iOS developer would be creating, debugging, maintaining and program software for the relevant departments. So the developers should be able to create user-friendly apps, so that the user would be easily understanding to enroll the application and also use it appropriately. In respective of that, iOS developers should also be making sure that the user are finding it more accessible than being in a chaotic situation. For social networking, productivity, finance and other wide range of other uses. So considering all of these aspects of needs, what the user wants to be fulfilled through the particular application in Apple devices, iOS developers should be eventually taking care about fulfilling all of these respective needs in order to making sure that the particular application is much more accessible to the user. So that is what it is all aligned about. The next section is how you can become one. If you are interested, consider the skills part as your brushing up or your basic foundational skills, and consider these job roles or these responsibilities into elevating your career in iOS developer. So proficient with Objective-C or Swift, and next experience and also knowing about various other iOS frameworks, what are the various patterns, what are the various trends, technologies which are putting up into these Apple devices and then putting out an extravagant outlook for Apple. Knowledge of other web technologies, UI, UX standards and how are they being designed, how is the design affecting the user, how is the design making the user think, be creative, and then familiarity with cloud messages, APIs and other push notifications. So all of this would be taken care of or should be taken care of by an iOS developer in order to make sure that he or she is well equipped with the ecosystem of iOS. And the next section, the job profiles or the job roles which are aligned or interlinked with an iOS developer. So design and building applications for iOS platform, that is the basic core responsibility that an iOS developer would be fulfilling. Ensuring the performance quality and also the responsiveness of the applications. So in order for the application to run smoothly, effectively and giving a productive outlook, this is the key point that an iOS developer should be eventually working upon. Next is the identification and the correction of the bottlenecks and fix all the bugs. You need not want or you should not be having your user having his or her frowns all over the application. So in order to avoid all of that chaotics or all of that clumsy kind of situation, you need to make sure that your application is user friendly, productive and also it is running efficiently on the user's hands. So that is what it all takes to become an iOS developer. If you are willing to have or if you are willing to listen up to more videos like this and have an elevating pitch for your career, Consider subscribing and stay tuned for more videos like this only in Freshers Now channel. Thank you for watching.